kindergarten friends. It's me, Mrs. Hartwell, and I'm here with my friend Georgie. Hello! And we are going to get started on our sound work. So the first thing we always do in our sound work is what, Georgie? Rhyme! We always do rhyme. So today I want you to think of words that sound like ip at the end. For example, lip. Ip, lip. Think of some words that rhyme with that. You might think of ship, chip, tip, all of those rhyme. So ip, lip, ship, chip, tip, rip. You might rip a piece of paper. Those are all rhyming words. All right, let's do our beginning sounds. I'll say the word, you say the word. We'll say the first sound together. Here we go. Job, job. First sound, j. Object, object. Ah. After, after, ah. Opposite, opposite. First sound, ah. Igloo, igloo. First sound you hear, I. Okay, we're gonna do some blending. Are you ready? Here we go. W, E. Your turn. W, E, we. S, O. S, O, so. B, I. B, I, buy. P, A. Your turn. P, A, pay. M, E. M, E, me. Us. 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 A. Your turn. A, hey. R-O. R-O, row. And our last one, L-I. L-I, lie. Okay. Now we're going to do our middle sounds of the word. And remember, when we try to listen for that middle sound, we'll often ride a roller coaster. Sometimes our roller coaster will go up. Sometimes our roller coaster will go down. And sometimes we'll have a whoop-de-doo in the middle. But we're always listening for that middle sound, okay? Here we go. Mat. You say it. Mat. Ride your roller coaster. At. Middle sound. Ah. Next one. Him. Him. I. Sad. 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 Ah. Dig. Dig. Ig. Middle sound. I. Pack. Pack. Ack. Ah. Tip. Tip. Ride your roller coaster. Ip. I. Bag. Bag. Ag. Middle sound. Ah. Okay, we're going to get our choppers out. And this time we're going to chop our words into each individual sound. So sometimes we'll do the first sound and then the rest of the word. Or sometimes we'll do the beginning of the word and just the last sound. This time we're going to go each individual sound. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Ace. You say it. Ace. Chop it up. Ace. Do. Do. D-oo. Oak. 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 So that word has two sounds. O-k to make oak. Low. Low. L-o. May. May. M-a. Is. Is. Key. Key. K-e. Pie. Pie. P-I. Add. 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 Last one. Say. Say. S-a. Nice chopping, friends. Okay, I'm going to give you the end. We're going to put a sound on the beginning and figure out what the word is. Here we go. Add. 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 Mad. Ick. Ick. Add. P. Pick. Add. F. Fan. Ill. Add. H. nap. Take a nap. Oh, that nap feels so good. Okay, now we're going to say the word together and take off the first sound. Here we go. Him. Your turn. Him without h is im. Lid. Now you say it. Lid without l is id. Wax. Wax without w is axe. Sad. Sad without s is ad. Show me your sad face. So sad. I hope you feel better. Mix. Mix without is ix. Excellent. Now, we're going to take that first sound off, change it to something else, and see what our new word is. Here we go. Pig. You say it. Pig. Change p to d. Dig. Zap. Zap. Change z to l. Lap. Fit. Fit. Change f to h. Hit. Win. You say it. Win. Change w to f. Fin. Last one. Dad. Dad. Change d to h. Had. Beautiful. Okay, time for our letters and sounds. Here we go. We're going to go through just the letter names first. Ready? Go. Z. T. B. U. C. K. E. Q. O. N. X. M. D. P. Y. H. G. I. R. L. W. F. S. A. J. V. Okay, ready? Now it's time for sounds. Here we go. Z. T, t. B, b. Second sound, U. K, k. Second sound, S. K, k. E. Second sound, E. Qu, qu. Ah. Second sound, O. X. Beginning of a word, I might say Z. D. P. Y. Could also say E or I. For Hartwell. G. Second sound, J. For Georgie. I. Second sound, I. R. L. W. S. A. Second sound, A. J. Excellent, friends. Okay, we are going to reread a poem that we read a couple weeks ago called Hickory, Dickory, Dock. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me turn my camera up. There we go. Okay, so here's our poem. And the title of our poem, oftentimes when you have a poem or a nursery rhyme or something like that, the title will be at the top with a line under it. That's how you know it's the title or the name. All right, ready? Hickory, Dickory, Dock. And before we read this, let's see if we recognize any words. I know this word right here. That's the word the. That's a sight word. And I see the right here. And I see the right here. And I see the right here. So if you know the word the, you can already read 4 words in that poem. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Hickory, Dickory, Dock. Hickory, Dickory, Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, Dickory, Dock. I spy another word we know. Right here. Ran. That's another one of our sight words. Ran. And it's right here too. Ran. All right, let's say it one more time together. Read it with me. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Let's go ahead and count the words in that poem. Remember, we know it's a word because it has space on each side. A group of letters with spaces on each side tells us that it's a word. And let's count the words in the title to go along with it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 words in our title. Let's see how many are in our poem. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 words in our poem. You did an amazing job today, kindergarten. See you tomorrow.